Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. This is my client who has alopecia. Yes, she's been having alopecia for quite a while now, but we will start her braid pattern and we will get to some hair growth, but peace and blessings, fam. It's your girl T. Yes, I upload videos every single week, so please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell. Yes, hit that bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. Back with my client. I am starting her braid pattern. And I am doing a beehive braid pattern because that is going to be the best braid pattern for the style that she came in to get today. Yes, I am using human hair. I am using human hair on her hair because it is soft. It is much more easier to braid with, and it's more gentle on her natural hair. So yes, when I have clients who have sensitive skin, sensitive scalp, or hair loss, I usually use human hair because it is so much easier, better to work with on their hair, as well as their hair being very fragile. So here, as you can see, I'm carefully braiding in a beehive, and I'm just going to continue braiding around in a circle. And here it is. This is her finished braid pattern. I am now going to install the first net. This is the net that I am using to protect her hair. Yes, her hair is very fragile, and my ultimate goal is to promote hair growth, not hair loss. So I am putting this first net on, and it is to protect her hair, and it's to alleviate any tension and any weight from the hairstyle that she's going to be getting. As you can see, I kind of overlapped the net from where her braids are, so that way she has extra net where she has hair loss. And yes, this is the double net. As you can see in the title, this is a double net style. Yes, it is the most healthiest way for anyone who has hair loss, who has thin hair, who has damaged hair, who has damaged edges, etc. Yes, I am using 2 nets on her hair. These nets are very ventilated, so it will give her scalp much room to breathe. She can, her scalp can breathe with no problem, even with 2 nets on. And again, as you can see here, I overlapped the nets, and I put the net farther down on her forehead where she has the hair loss, on her edges where she has the hair loss. Why? Because that's where I'm going to attach these beautiful curly faux locks. Yes, look at these faux locks. They are beautiful. They are 9 inches long. They come in 4 sections, and they are called goddess locks, curly goddess locks. So this is the 1B that I'm going to be using, and we're going to mix it with a 1B30. So actually that's a T1B30. So yes, let's get started with the fun part. Let's start crocheting, and as you will see, I am only sewing on the first net, crocheting on the first net. Yes, just that top net. I will not be crocheting through that second net at all. I do not want any weight or any tension to be on her natural hair at all, or even on the braids, the beehive braids that I did. So again, you will see here, I am only attaching to the net. This crochet needle is only going through the first net, and that's it. Again, that's to alleviate any tension on her natural hair. So please continue to watch how this beautiful style is accomplished. I will show you exactly how I install the locks on the net in the front where she has hair loss. This will give her all the fullness that she needs on her edges and in the front so that her hairline doesn't look like it starts way to the back. So again, continue to keep watching. There we go. I am showing you exactly how I'm attaching and crocheting these faux locks to the areas where she has hair loss. Some people have asked, well, what would keep the net from moving? Well, the weight from the crochet faux locks holds the net down and in place on the sides where there is no hair. So you don't have to worry about the wind making it move or flap or anything, because the weight of the crochets keeps it in place with no problem. Look how beautiful this is coming out. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. So continue to keep watching. Thank you so much for all your support. Please continue to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And please hit that bell.
Introducing our new all-natural body butter, allowing your skin to feel rich as royalty